The Honda Ridgeline has always been a unique player in the pickup truck market, but the upcoming 2026 model is set to revolutionize what we expect from a unibody truck. Stunning redesign, hybrid option, and even a rumored high-performance variant, Honda will reshape the midsize pickup segment. So if you're considering a truck purchase in the near future, hold off just a bit longer, because there are 7 big reasons why you should wait for the 2026 Honda Ridgeline. Number 7. Complete redesign. The most compelling reason to wait for the 2026 Honda Ridgeline is that it represents a complete redesign. The third generation of this innovative pickup built on an entirely new platform. After nearly a decade with the current generation, which debuted in 2016 with a facelift in 2021, Honda has reimagined the Ridgeline from the ground up to better meet the evolving needs of truck buyers. This redesign coincides with the Ridgeline's 20th anniversary, marking 2 decades since Honda first disrupted the pickup market with its unibody approach. Rather than abandoning its unique selling proposition, Honda has doubled down on the Ridgeline's strengths while addressing criticisms head-on with more truck-like styling, improved capability, and expanded powertrain options. The new platform maintains the unibody construction that gives the Ridgeline its car-like ride quality and handling, but with increased rigidity and strength that boosts towing capacity, among other things. The independent suspension has been completely retuned, striking an even better balance between on-road comfort and off-road capability. Number 6. Bold new exterior design. The current Ridgeline has aged well, but Honda is taking a dramatically different approach with the 2026 model. Drawing heavy inspiration from the recently unveiled 2026 Passport, the new Ridgeline adopts a more rugged, truck-like aesthetic that directly addresses one of the biggest criticisms of previous generations. Gone is the somewhat crossover-like appearance, replaced by a broader, more muscular frame with a squared-off grille and sharper LED headlights that announce the truck's presence with authority. The 2026 Ridgeline features more pronounced wheel arches, a more upright stance, and a bolder front fascia that puts it visually on par with body-on-frame competitors. While still maintaining its unibody construction, the exterior styling now better reflects what truck buyers expect visually. The transformation is striking. It maintains Honda's reputation for clean design while adopting a neo-rugged design language that blends modern styling with tough off-road inspired elements. This redesign isn't just about looks. The new approach creates a more cohesive visual identity across Honda's SUV and truck lineup, with the Ridgeline now clearly positioned as the rugged, capable sibling to the equally bold new Passport. It's a smart move that'll likely attract buyers who previously dismissed the Ridgeline for not looking truck enough. Number 5. Groundbreaking hybrid powertrain. In perhaps the most surprising move, Honda is finally bringing electrification to the Ridgeline lineup with a powerful new hybrid powertrain. This isn't just a token efficiency option, it's a performance upgrade that delivers substantial benefits in both power and fuel economy. The new hybrid system pairs a 2-liter gas engine with a dual-motor setup, generating an impressive 321 horsepower, a significant jump from the 280 horsepower of the standard V6. This innovative powertrain doesn't just increase performance, it dramatically improves fuel efficiency too. Where the current model manages around 18 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway, the hybrid variant is expected to achieve approximately 25 mpg city and 35 mpg highway. With the Ridgeline's 19.5-gallon fuel tank, that translates to a potential range of nearly 600 miles between fill-ups. In an era of fluctuating fuel prices, this kind of efficiency in a capable pickup truck represents a significant advantage for daily drivers and weekend adventurers alike. For those who prefer traditional power, Honda is wisely maintaining the reliable 3.5-liter V6 option, now paired with a new 10-speed automatic transmission that replaces the current 9-speed. This dual powertrain strategy ensures the Ridgeline could appeal to both traditionalists and forward-thinking truck buyers looking for modern efficiency. Number 4. Enhanced interior technology. On the inside, the 2026 Ridgeline will bring a thoroughly modernized interior that leaves the current model's somewhat dated cabin far behind. The centerpiece is a new 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, a significant upgrade from the current display, complemented by a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster that provides customizable information directly in the driver's line of sight. The new infotainment system represents more than just a larger screen. It's built on Honda's latest software platform with faster responses, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and more intuitive controls. Voice recognition capabilities have been dramatically improved, allowing for natural language commands for navigation, climate control, and media playback. Will Honda finally catch up with rivals in this aspect and offer an infotainment system that's decent enough? We'll find out pretty soon. Throughout the cabin, you'll find thoughtful upgrades like multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and 12-volt power outlets in both rows. The practical storage solutions Honda is known for remain, with clever underseat storage in the rear and a center console designed to accommodate everyday items and work essentials alike. Build quality is exceptional, with Honda maintaining its reputation for durable materials that can withstand the rigors of truck use while still providing a comfortable environment. The 2026 model also introduces upgraded sound insulation throughout the cabin, addressing one of the few complaints about previous generations by creating a noticeably quieter interior at highway speeds. Number 3. Class-leading practicality features. The Ridgeline has always prioritized practical innovation, and the 2026 model doubles down on the features that make this truck uniquely useful in everyday scenarios. The signature dual-action tailgate returns, allowing both traditional fold-down operation and side hinge opening for easier access to cargo. The in-bed trunk remains a standout feature that competitors still haven't matched, providing decently large, lockable storage that's perfect for valuable tools or keeping groceries from sliding around. For 2026, Honda has improved this feature with better drainage and a more durable liner material. The bed itself offers respectable utility. Long and wide, it'll be able to accommodate standard building materials and weekend adventure gear with equal ease. New for 2026 is an available 115-volt power outlet in the bed, capable of powering tools or campsite accessories. Inside, Honda has maintained the spacious cabin that provides genuine comfort for 5 adults. The rear seats retain their flip-up design that creates a flat-load floor for bulky items you'd rather not leave in the bed. For 2026, Honda has added more underfloor storage in the rear cabin, creating spaces for emergency supplies or valuable items that need to stay out of sight. These thoughtful features continue to set the Ridgeline apart in a segment where many competitors focus on traditional truck capabilities at the expense of everyday usability. Number 2. Improved off-road capability. While the Ridgeline has never been marketed as an extreme off-roader, the 2026 model makes significant strides in capability that'll satisfy the needs of most adventure seekers. Ground clearance, approach and departure angles, all these things will improve, while Honda's intelligent torque vectoring all-wheel drive system will be updated too. So, the new model will be more capable than ever when the pavement ends. The Trail Sport trim returns as the off-road specialist in the lineup, now featuring more substantial upgrades to justify its position. The 2026 Trail Sport will come standard with all-terrain tires, unique suspension tuning with slightly increased ride height, and additional underbody protection for critical components. Visual differentiation includes exclusive exterior colors, distinctive wheels, and interior accents that highlight its adventure-ready status. Honda has also revised the all-wheel drive system software for 2026, adding new terrain management modes specifically calibrated for snow, mud, and sand. These modes adjust throttle response, transmission behavior, and torque distribution to optimize traction in challenging conditions. While hardcore off-road enthusiasts might still prefer body-on-frame alternatives with solid axles, the Ridgeline's unibody construction actually provides advantages in certain scenarios, delivering better articulation over uneven terrain and more predictable handling on loose surfaces. Number 1. Type R on the way. Here's something truly exciting. Credible rumors suggest Honda is developing a high-performance Ridgeline Type R that would mark the first application of the legendary Type R badge to a pickup truck. This wouldn't be just a cosmetic package, but a genuine performance variant designed to showcase what Honda's engineers can do when they apply their racing heritage to a pickup platform. The Ridgeline Type R is rumored to feature a bi-turbo V6 producing around 500 horsepower, significantly more than Ford's Ranger Raptor with its 405 horsepower. Unlike off-road-focused performance trucks, the Ridgeline Type R would take a street performance approach, potentially featuring lowered suspension, performance brakes, and more aggressive aerodynamics. Most intriguingly, some sources suggest the Type R variant might be offered with a purist manual transmission option, something that has become exceedingly rare in modern pickup trucks. While this high-performance variant would likely represent a small percentage of overall Ridgeline sales, it would create a halo effect for the entire lineup and cement Honda's commitment to driver engagement across all vehicle categories. The Type R's development also suggests that Honda is becoming more confident in the Ridgeline's identity as a unique offering in the truck market rather than trying to directly compete with traditional body-on-frame pickups in their own terms. But the Ridgeline's task won't be easy because the whole new market of cheaper, compact unibody pickups is in great expansion. The Ford Maverick stands out as a treat in particular, so make sure to check out this video about the many reasons why you should wait for the 2026 Ford Maverick, which you can see now on the screen. It's getting a mid-cycle refresh and becoming an even more appealing pickup than it currently is. Thanks for watching and see you next time.